there are various ways that a patient can get in touch with us. Obviously, they can call our office, and our phone number is out there on our website and in the phone book. And we get a lot of referrals from other patients, word of mouth, that kind of thing. We also have websites that generate leads for us. So anytime a patient puts in an inquiry on our website or on one of these other doctor services, we're going to get it immediately. And we have somebody answering these inquiries 24/7. I'm going to get the leads from 8 to 5 from Monday through Friday. And then Leanne, who is our patient coordinator on nights and weekends, will respond to the leads that come in after 5 and before 8 and also on the weekends. So no matter what time of day a patient calls in or emails, somebody's going to respond pretty promptly, which is great. And then patients can also call in our office between 8 and 5, obviously on normal business hours, and they'll probably talk to Courtney first. And if they have more in-depth questions regarding implants, setting up surgery, that kind of thing, she'll probably refer the patient to me. And depending on whether the patient needs just to set up a consultation, I'm happy to do that with them. Or if they want more information, they want to know an estimate cost, or they want to know the difference between saline and silicone, or they want to know a little bit more about the mommy makeover, I'm certainly happy to help them, to talk them through the entire process. We also have patients maybe that call in from Afghanistan, like maybe they're deployed or something like that, or maybe they email from Afghanistan and they say that they've been thinking about doing this for a really long time, and they come back from deployment in August and they want to see what their options are and they want to set up surgery ASAP. So I'm happy to work with patients that way via email to set things up. Maybe they want to send me some photos so that I can give them a more accurate price quote, and then doctor and I will kind of confer and talk to each other about what she needs, what we recommend for her, how much is this going to cost, how long of a recovery time is she looking at, how long does she need to stay here before going out for deployment again. And then when a patient comes in for a consultation, I sit through the consultation with them. So, I'm there to witness everything that doctor talks to them about. And I'm also there to kind of offer a female perspective. So it's really great that I'm kind of in the room when they're trying on the implant sizes. When the patients come in for the initial consultation, we like to let them try on the implant sizes just so that they can kind of get a feel for what they're looking at in terms of size. And a lot of the times the patients will ask me, what do you think? Do you think this is too big? Do you think this is not big enough? And it really, I think it gives them sort of peace of mind to have a female perspective as opposed to, a male doctor. Obviously he's done it a ton of times, but just to have kind of a female outlook on it is really great for them.